Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about that's the boyfriend, you know, chewing on stuff. We're going to be talking about the Sephora spring sale part two, with a little bit of extra. You see all that? I want to say maybe 2 of those boxes are Sephora. The rest are just like, you know, like extras, like extra, you know, accessories. You need some extras. So yeah, that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, like, make comments, ring the bell, tell your friends. Subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And now without further ado, let's get started. See, okay. Ooh, yes. Okay, so I did pick up these Tower 28s. These are the Luminous Tinted Balms. I believe this is a cheek and lip product. So this one I got in, I'm loving these packages. I'm very tactile. I love these packages. Ooh, that's beautiful. This is called Rush Hour. How beautiful. Now, I will tell you this. How gorgeous. Is that gorgeous? I will tell you this. I am not a corally girl. Like, that's what I say. I always say, I'm a pinky girl, and I am a pinky girl. Every time I say, oh, I'm not a corally girl, and I just so happen to throw on a coral blush, it looks so beautiful. I don't want to touch it. No smell, thank you, God. And by the way, while I was taking a break to walk the little lover boy over there, another Sephora package came. So now we have a totally of 3, and I'm praying to God that that is it. But I want to open these up real quick and throw away the boxes, you know, before anybody comes home. It's all right. Okay, let's see here. Now I'm going to try and keep quiet. My mic is right over here. Like it's right there. So when I did my first haul, it was so freaking loud with the boxes and the paper. So I'm going to try really hard not to be so doggone loud. Okay, let's see what else. And gee, I knew you were going to do that. There you go. Here's your paper. Go ahead. They're like children, you know, like when you buy babies like gifts. And they play with the boxes and the paper instead. That's him. Oh, Bachelor, you kill me, kid. You kill me. And are you telling me that's it? There was just one thing in that bag, in that box? Wait a minute. Is that it? Yep, that's it. So that was it in one box. That's kind of dumb and wasteful. Here, Bachi, here's some more boxes for you. Thank you. Yeah, because I know I ordered 2 of them. Let me just see here. Hold on. Let me grab my scissor. Yes, here it is. So I did pick up a second one, and this one, hush it now, and this one is in Magic. You did not just growl at me. You did not just growl. Yes, so this is in, what did I just say? Magic Hour. This is way more up my alley. Ooh, look how beautiful. Well, this looks just as corally, but I mean, it looks like it's in the coral family. Let me rephrase that, but not as corally is what I wanted to say, but I heard nothing but amazing. Actually, these look very, hush it now. Did I get this? No, one's Magic Hour. Hush it now. One's Rush Hour. But look how similar they look. Very, well, same family. One is lighter than the other. Bachelor, we're going to have this background of you in the background. Ooh, look what came. This is the Kaja trio that I picked up. Let's see here. The blush is in Coral Crumbs. Didn't we just say something about coral? The highlighter is Gold Drip, and I believe this is a cream bronzer, and it's called More Macchiato. Let's try it. Let's just see what it looks like. I'm so excited. Ooh, oh my God, look how cool this packaging is. Let's see. Can you see that? Ooh, I love it. So I'm going to there's just like a little thing over here that keeps it together, I guess for packaging purposes. Let me just take this off. I'm like so curious. Very cool packaging. Look how beautiful. So there's the blush. Ooh, that's beautiful. So there's the blush. And then there's the highlighter. Ooh, look at that. How beautiful. Ooh, isn't that nice? I don't want to touch anything yet. And then underneath, of course, ooh, yes, there is the cream. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? That is the cream bronzer. Oh, I'm so excited. So that came in. Thank you. And then, yes, the Patrick Ta. Thank you. Amen. Thank you. So this, I did pick up the Patrick Ta. She's sculpted in medium. Like I said, I am like so into like cream products, although I really don't know how to contour. But, ooh, damn, that looks dark. There it is right there. There is the product. Of course, there is the cream product here with that little protector. That looks dark. That looks dark. Let me see. I'm going to just touch the powder, but that is pretty though. No, well, the bronzer is beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna frig it. Let's touch it. So creamy. Wow. I hope you can see like the glistening on my finger, and look at the emollients. Look at that. I just touched it right over there. Let's just try it. No, I don't think it's dark at all. There you go. That is really, really nice. I'm going to just go a little bit closer to you. That is super, super nice. Like in you know what it is? Like when I have the cover on, I think it just throws off like a little shade. It almost looked ashy, but when you take it off, it looks beautiful. That is so, so nice. I'm like so super excited to try that. That is really, really nice. Very, very creamy. I'm super excited. I love, love, love Patrick Ta. I have a lot of his products. Okay, next. Ooh, let's see. Oh my gosh, the hair products did come in. Wow, this is the Olaplex. This is the No. 7 bonding oil. Let me see. I didn't expect it to be this little. I have to tell you the truth. Did I get a mini? Is this how, or maybe that's how it is. So there it is. There's the Olaplex. Look, I look like I was cross-eyed. There's the Olaplex oil. I'm going to have to look and see if, is this a mini? I'm not really sure. But I picked that up because, like I said, in my previous, my first part one, hairdresser said that my ends were getting dry. I was like, really? So I got that. And then I got the, I don't use any hairspray and everything, and I think like with the Dyson, I have to tell you the truth, like I just did my hair this morning. I know. I just did my hair this morning and it just kind of like flattened out. I did pick up the Verb Ghost hairspray. This is a weightless, I hope, medium hold. So I did pick that up. And then last but not least, I did pick up the Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray again because I wanted to give like just my crown a little bit of volume. Actually, a friend of mine I was just talking to yesterday, she goes, "You are going to love the smell." So I just want to open this up. This is beautiful. And actually, I think this is a new product at, not that it's a new product, but I think it's a new product being sold at Sephora. That is that. Now over there, I have 3 boxes that are not from Sephora, but I figured let's just put them all in there. Since we're unboxing, we're going to just put everything together. Alrighty, let's see what the heck this is. Ooh, this is a lot of this. That's weird. I don't even know where this is from. It's from Becca. I picked up a lipstick. Let me take that back. When Becca, like I had a couple of Becca products that I loved. And then of course, when Becca made the announcement that they were going out of business, I so wanted to support them. So I did pick up a handful of Becca products. I did do a video. I will link that below. But I hadn't used, like I picked up a lipstick. I'm not really a lipstick wearer. I'm usually like a lip glossy kind of girl, but I really am trying to throw in more lipsticks. So anyway, so I just grabbed a lipstick. So when I went to do the video, and I had it for like a good month, I guess, but I just did the video last week. That lipstick was so delicious. It is what I have on now, but when I went to go back and said I have to order another one, it's so beautiful, it's so creamy. I think it was one of those limited editions from Kourtney Kardashian and Malika. I was like, doggone it. So this color that I have on is in sugar, but I can't find it anywhere, but it is so creamy and delicious. I ended up picking up other Becca lipsticks. So I did pick one up in Petal, and then I picked one up in Dusk. You could tell they're all the same family, and one in Sorbet. So I just want to try them out. I'm not going to take off this lipstick, but I do want to swatch them to see. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, let me see. Yes, they're so beautiful and so elegant. Can you see that? So, so pretty. And I love like this magnetic. It is so nice. But anyway, so this one is in Petal. Let's see here. Let me just take off this bronzer. So this is Petal. Ooh, that's pretty. So, yep, so that's Petal. Isn't that beautiful? So that is Petal. If I say that one more time, that's Petal. And then this one over here is called Dusk. So much noise in the background. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's Dusk. That's gorgeous. You know, I have particulars. I'm a nude. Oh my God, Bachi, you're so loud. Yeah. So that is, I'm so particular with my, you know, I'm a nudie girl. And then this one is in Sorbet. So, so pretty. Ooh, actually the Sorbet looks very, very similar to the Petal, but beautiful. They're so friggin' creamy. Oh, I'm so super excited. I will tell you, yes, that Dusk is my favorite. It's beautiful. Bachelou, you're making a lot of noise down there, lover boy. Yeah. So, so nice. So, so creamy. I am so, so happy and sad that they are going out of business. That breaks my heart. I really, really hope someone picks them up. Okay, so that's that. This other box, I have no idea what it is. Oh, I know what it is. So, of course, I had to pick up the Dior Forever Natural Bronzer. And I picked this up in like, I picked this up in 5. You know, it's all over. Yeah. Ooh, look how beautiful and lovely and delicious. I'm all about presentation and packaging. Oh, that is beautiful. What a wow, that's beautiful. What a beautiful compact. Got a little bit of a scent, not crazy. It reminds me of the Gucci. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. But this compact, you know, it's soft, it's delicious. And I will tell you this, somebody did make a comment that they may think that these are like refillable, because I mean, this is a beautiful compact. This is like luxe and beautiful. I can't imagine that anybody would like throw this away. No. But so someone did make a comment that you see the little hole, that little hole right over there, like right here. I think they said that you can pop this out and do a refill, which I would hope, because you know, I am not throwing that away, that's for sure. And then last but not least, oh my God, like now that I'm opening up all these boxes, yeah, I did go overboard. I admit it. Are we alone? Yes, I totally admit that we did. Listen to me. Who's we? That I did go overboard. I did pick up 2 of these blouses. Oh, by the way, I picked up the Forever Natural Bronzer from Nordstrom. And while I was there, I did pick up these 2 beautiful blouses. One, of course, one white, one black. You have to have a white, you have to have a black. It's, I will put a picture up to show you what they look like. And I want to say, I think I'm just waiting for one more package. But I swear, I think that is it. I hope, I think. But yeah. So guys, I'm going to just throw in some extra footage here of some products, maybe 1 or 2 or 3, that were either delivered or I picked up before this video. So I'm going to just throw a little insert in there. I hope you guys enjoy it. Powder, of course, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder. I use it in Fair 1 because I don't like anything to distort the colors that I have on my face. This was a repurchase. I did pick up the Charlotte Tilbury, the wand again, cream contour. It was out of stock for so long. I think I got it right under the gun, but I did not. Did I get it yet? You know what? I'm going to take that back. I did not pick that up from Sephora. That's one of my asterisks. I did go into Charlotte Tilbury, like, you know, if out of stock, email me when it comes in. So yes, that's what it was. I'm thinking, where is it? Because it is from the Charlotte Tilbury website. I did get 10% off for signing up, like as a new member or something like that. So I still got 10% off. But anyway, that didn't come yet. And the Becca didn't come in yet. Did it? I don't think it did. But again, I think that was an asterisk as well, because I picked up the settings powder. So anyway, anyway, girls, you squirrels all over the place. So anyway, in the midst of that order, I did pick up one of the lipsticks. I'm not really a lipstick wearer, but I'm really trying to, you know, incorporate it into my stash. one of the colors, it was called Sugar. Now, I didn't know at the time. I just grabbed it because it looked like right up my alley. But it, to me, is the perfect pink nude. Actually, I went to Sephora yesterday, and I'll tell you why. I went to Sephora yesterday, and I was all over the place looking. I even had it on. I said, girl, I need you to match this. By the way, the reason why I needed to match it is because this particular color in Sugar was a collaboration with Khloe Kardashian and her best friend Malika, and they don't have it anymore. It was a limited edition. I was like, no. So I did pick up a few more, nowhere near it, but sort of actually the color Dusk was sort of kind of, but not really, but it was doable. Anyway, so I was in Sephora yesterday. I was all over the place with this poor girl. Nope, that's not it. Like on me, everything was coming up peach. Like I was testing it out right here. P.S. It's different from here because, yeah, it was totally different. Everything, and I didn't want like that nude peachy brownie. I wanted like the pink mauve. To make a long story short, I was just rummaging. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate. Girl, I happened to look, and there was a Becca. You know, of course, they're not reordering whatever they have in stock. 2 sugars. I found 2 freaking sugars right over here. Yes, so I picked these lovers up and I snatched them up, and I'm thinking, oh my God, are they used? Like, because the boxes were all janked up. Nope, they're absolutely perfect. So I did pick, and I look how sleek and fabulous and beautiful, and it's got like that, like, so cool. I feel so bad, my heart breaks, but look how perfect this deliciousness is. So to me, I mean, I am a traditional bullet lipstick person. It's so beautiful and so perfect. But anyway, I did find 2 sugars left, and I snatched them up like a snoop. So that's it. Now, with that being said, did I tell you a few minutes ago, these are the asterisks of my Sephora haul. I paid full price for these bad boys. Look what I found. Okay, I am all over the place in the Sephora. I went to the NARS website. I went to Nordstrom's. All over the place. They don't have the Laguna. I went and I picked these up, and I was about to walk out, and I saw the NARS from the corner of my eye. 1 little lover left. Now, I'm telling you, if you go onto Sephora website, even in this moment, it still keeps on saying that they're sold out. I encourage you to walk into a Sephora. You never know. I happened to walk into a different Sephora last week, and I was like, doggone, I really want it. She said, oh my God, we're getting a stock tomorrow, you know, but you have to come in because I guess, I don't know why. Well, I guess maybe because they don't have enough to put online. So I encourage you to go physically. Look at this beautifulness. Again, these were things that I'm like, you don't need it. It looks so It smells a little bit of something, but nothing earth-shattering. Look how beautiful and delicious. Now, I don't even know if that's going to work on my skin. I have no idea, but it looks gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I did pick that up. Again, my asterisk, I paid full stinking price for it, and I did not care. But yeah, guys, so that is it. I need to clean up before everybody gets home because I'm going to be in some big ass trouble. But that is it. This is my video of my Sephora haul part 2 with the little accessories. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And yep, that's it. You guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.